Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a very yummy paneer recipe called creamy Kaju Paneer. This is actually a specialty of my mother, so thought of sharing with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started with the recipe. All we need is butter, few cashew nuts and a big capsicum diced. Next we need is 1 teaspoon of onion seeds and sugar each and salt as per taste. Also we need paneer. It is 200 grams of paneer that I have taken. Here I am adding half a bowl of water to make a fine paste out of it. We are looking for this kind of consistency as I am showing in this video. I have cut the paneer into small cubes. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and a little butter. Now add the onion seeds and give it a stir. Add a chili and then add the capsicum. Add salt as per your taste, give a quick stir and then cover it with the lid. Check in between, and when you see the capsicum is about half cooked, add the paneer pieces then. Give a nice stir and then cover it with the lid. Cook the paneer till it turns light brown. It is now when we add the cashew nuts paste. Also, I have added a little water to the mixing cup and adding the same to my preparation. Now it's time to add the sugar. Now stir the paneer and the capsicum well along with the cashew nut paste. Add about half cup of water and then cover it with the lid. Cook it for about 10 minutes, stirring in between so that the gravy doesn't stick to the pan. Also, if it does stick to the pan, you can sprinkle a little bit of water. After around 10 minutes, the preparation is done. Add a little butter and then turn off the flame. So guys, delicious and creamy paneer kaju recipe is ready. It goes very well with both rice and roti. Please do try it once and I'm sure your kids will love it too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.